Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to transfer your phone number from Android phone to the iOS phone using SIM. So for that, go to the contacts and you have a lot of contacts over here. On the top, contact settings, then click on move contacts. From phone, select all the contacts, then to SIM 1, then click to the SIM 1. Now take out the SIM from Android phone and put in the Apple phone. Go to setting, go to the contacts, then here import SIM contacts. Now let's go and check the phone numbers, and all the numbers are here now. I hope you know now how to transfer the number from Android phone to the iOS device using the SIM by importing and exporting. Thank you for watching the video. Please let me know if you have any questions on the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you.